Hello guys and welcome back to our channel I Love 164. Today we are going to do the unboxing for this Hot Wheels 5 pack. It's a gasser pack and here is a look on these cars that we are going to see today. I'm sorry for the background noise. There is some construction work going on near my house. So see, this is a sealed pack, right? But this car looks a little out. I checked the internet as well. This is not the car that has to be in this pack. And you can see the blister size also. It's different. The car is different. See? And here's the back. So there is actually has to be a 55 Chevy Bel Air. But it's not in here, so it's fine. No worries, I'll just unbox it for you guys. But before that, actually, let's cut this open first. So this is how I actually open these 5 packs. This way it is easy to pack them back. These cars are really shiny. So I'm going to show you guys these cars one by one, and before that I'm thinking to change the camera angle. So just give me a moment. So I think this is a better camera angle, and I'll just put this on the side and let's pick one by one and show you guys these cars. First one I'm going to pick, I'm going to pick from the bottom actually. So here's your first car. It's damaged. It's a fast bed hauler, so I need to fix this first, I think. Yeah, just a snap and it's in. Yeah, it come out not very well, but yes, it does. See, I really like the chrome, the way they created it. The wheels are good. The chrome laid on the wheels, the color of the cab with the white deco and dices they have here. It's really good. The front looks amazing with the chrome details and headlights, everything. The bottom is also fine. We have some details over here and some over here as well. I really like these kind of small collars. I don't know if this goes like this. Oh yeah, it goes like this as well. This is really good. So you can just place the car and it can go like this. Yeah, I don't want to break it. And does this roll? Yes, this rolls perfectly. This rolls very well. Let's place it. I'm not fine today guys, but I found this 5 pack and I thought I should do the unboxing for the Saturday. And this is your straight pipe. I'm not sure if this is a real car. It's a Mercury Comet Cyclone. I'm not sure what's going on. Yeah, there is a name of this car on this box. Yes, it's a Mercury Comet. So here's your bottom. Looks nice. This is a really beautiful car actually, in the red color with the deep dish wheels, the details on the side, the chrome interior, the engine coming out. We do not have headlight details here, but still look fine. No tail lights as well. And this is your top. This does roll well, of course. All the Hot Wheels rolls perfect. Always perfect. Now let's move to the one of my favorite. It's a Gasser 62 Bel Air Gasser, right? I do not have name of this here, but we know that this is a 62 Bel Air Gasser, right? Actually, it's 55. I'm sorry, my bad. It's a 55 Bel Air Gasser. So we have all the good details over here. The side looks good as well. The black black paint and white and gray details, chrome interior. See, the front looks so crazy. This is so beautiful. I'm not sure why I'm never over these 65 55 Gasser. I'm sorry, I'm again saying that. I told you guys I'm not fine today. See the details on the top. Actually, this is the first Gasser that I got which has details like that. There's nothing on the back or on the front, but you can see the grille is chromed. We have the engine here. Of course, this grille is a part of this chrome engine, and interior is the same one piece. Looks good. It's really a nice car. This is like third or fourth or maybe fifth that I've got in my collection. These kind of Bel Air Gasser. They look cool actually, and I think this will make a perfect combination. That's a big one. Let's put it out a little and see if it fits. No, it does not fit very well, but if you see this combination, they look good together. Let me check if this fits. No, none of these cars are going to fit on this, I guess. I think a small Honda Civic or something like that would fit on this, but we will check for the rest of the two cars as well. But for now, let's put it here, and I'm going to show you the next car. It's a Chevy Nova Gasser. I know this car. I know this one. Here's your base for Chevy Nova. All the details over here, the suspensions and everything. These wheels are so thin, and that's how they are in the real cars actually. I really like the theme they used in these Gassers. Like, the colors are so well, and the decos are so good on these. This one have family hauler deco with the blue windows. Just the chrome front, no headlights, and it's fine. We do not have any details over here as well, but look at that top and these engines. Looks perfect, right? Looks perfect. Yes, this does roll very well. Actually, interesting part is that after this unboxing, I might shoot one more video. I have a whole box of majorettes with me. I think there are 12 cars, at least 10-12 cars I'm going to show you guys in the next video. Maybe I don't know which one I'm going to put first, I'm going to put this first, this video first, or the major video first. We'll see that later. So this is actually a Nissan. It's not a Gasser. It's a Nissan Maxima drift car. I think this is from some other 5-pack or something. But it is actually a very nice car if you see. I like the wheels they created on this. Something written here in the Japanese with the Hot Wheels logo on the side here. The bumper looks crazy. See, this looks so well. Even though there are no headlights, still it does not fall below. We do not have any details over here as well. Look at this top. Look at this engine and the way they made it, and then there is a this transparent hood from where you can see the engine. It looks really crazy on this car. It's a really well detailed car actually. I saw the Gasser the other day, the one which is missing from the pack. It was not that good, I think. This is better than that Gasser. Yes, it rolls perfect. It's a beautiful car and rolls perfect. Let's see if it fits on this. Probably it will not because it's very big. Let's see. Looks good, right? Looks really good. And so does this, but the wheels are coming off. So this is sure that this hauler is not made for these Gassers. They don't fit well. So no problem, we will put something else on this truck. So guys, that was your unboxing for the Hot Wheels 2025 Gasser pack. Let me know guys in the comments what you think about this unboxing. Which car is your favorite? Mine, I think, is going to be this and this as well. Actually, this also. Actually, they all are good. It's always a hard choice to pick one. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.